Hi everyone, it's Sharon the Flame with the Toothbrush Yoga series, natural cleaning series in your bathroom. So, what are we going to do today? Well, we've got some baking soda. I'm going to be putting that down into the drain. Now they used to make it really easy because you could pull your plunger out and just drop some baking soda in, but now it's not so easy. You know, your kids could be part of this whole thing because it's lots of fun, because then you're going to add your cleaning vinegar and you're going to hear and see all this cleaning bubbles, and that'll help clean out the sink drains. And you're going to add some boiling water, which should really help getting those drains going free and clear of toothpaste skunk or anything else. So have a wonderful, clean, non-toxic day. See you on social medias. Namaste.